Now let's see how to set up the VWire dashboard. Go to this app.vwire.io website. Now if you already registered, you just need to log in. Otherwise you need to go to sign up and register to the website. Now log into the website. Click the sign in button. Now connect the ESP32 board to your laptop and go to devices menu. Here click add device. So the board is already selected by default, and here we can give any device name. Now click on the create device button. Now the device is created. Now go to projects. Here click create project and give the project name as temperature and humidity monitor. And click on the create button. Now it went to the dashboard page. Here click this plus button and add 2 gauge widgets. Scroll down, click on the gauge. Click add widget. Click add button again and add one more widget. Now click this edit button. Here we need to select the device and select the virtual pin as V0. Click this configure pin label and give the type as temperature and give the pin label as temperature. Now click save changes. Now go to the second gauge, click this edit button. Here also we need to choose the device, and here the pin is V1. So in the program we mentioned the pin V0 for temperature and V1 for humidity. So we are selecting the same pin in the dashboard. Go to configure pin. Here give the pin label as humidity. Select the type as humidity. Click save changes and then click the save button on the top right. We need to make some changes in the program. From the web dashboard, go to devices. So here click edit device. Here we need to copy this device ID and the authentication token to the program. Then copy the authentication token. Also enter the Wi-Fi username and password. Now we need to upload the program. So I already selected the board. If you want to see how to select the board, go to this drop down. The port will be selected by default once you connect the board. Now click this edit button or click this port, and here we need to search for the board which we need to upload the program. Search for ESP32 dev module. Select the board, click OK and click this upload button and upload the program. Now the program is successfully uploaded to the ESP32 board. We can also check the output through the mobile. For that, download the VWireIoT application from the Play Store. Once you open the application, we can see the projects, devices and the dashboard which we created through the VWireIoT web dashboard. Now click on the dashboard, and from here also we can check the output.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great.